Here's SolidWorks, and let's see how to create this conical shape inside this hole using the chamfer feature. Okay, so I'm on the features tab and the chamfer is here at fillet. Click on the down pointing arrow and select chamfer. The first one is selected. Make sure full preview is checked. Items to chamfer. Now select this top portion of that hole. It's already shown. D here is the diameter. That is from the blue side till the yellow outside. This is the 2 millimeters that will be removed. And let's use that view and click on the left part. No, I don't want that one. Use the scroll wheel to move it around. Push down the scroll wheel. Once again, view orientation from this side, like so. Okay, and here, display style, wireframe. So here we can see distance is 2 millimeters. The arrow is showing it from this side till there. We have that 2 and 2 more will be added there. And the angle of this one and that one is 45 degrees. From this line and that line in this direction we have 45 degrees. If I increase this 2, let's say type in 3, larger diameter will make a deeper hole. I type in 4, it's even deeper, 5 deeper, 6, I mean it's getting larger, not just deeper. Okay, so I want 2 millimeters, and let's check the 45 degrees also. I type in, let's say 50, 55, 60. As you can see, the angle is increasing. Let's say 85, it's almost vertical. 90, it disappears. So back to 45. So that's the chamfer feature in SolidWorks. Let's accept it. And let's put the view back, display style, shaded with edges. And they are identical. 4 millimeters is the small diameter and 8 millimeters is the outer diameter. You can check that one here at sketch, smart dimension, and I use the last one, reference dimension. And this is 8 millimeters and the inner one is 4 millimeters.